Hi, I'm Carl with CoinShop Liquidators and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss investing and more specifically investing in rare coins, gold and silver. Actually, we're going to speak mostly about the rare coin portion of that and possibly move some of the gold and silver investing to, I think it would warrant a separate video for that because there's quite a bit involved there. In any case, why coins? Why invest in coins? There's a lot of great places to put your money nowadays. Um, there's a lot of choices available, and there's a lot of people trying to get you to invest your money. I personally believe that everyone's investment portfolio should include at least a portion of the funds in rare coins, gold, and silver. The performance of these assets over the years has been steady. There's been not a lot of loss of principal. Um, the gold and silver tend to fluctuate a lot more than the rare coins, and there's a reason for that. The gold and silver are a play on the metals. There's futures, derivatives, all types of things, gold mining stock. But the coins are a hard asset that you can buy and you can keep in your home or in your business, in your bank, in your safety deposit box. And more people today, or these days, are moving towards hard assets, away from currencies and stocks and bonds, that kind of thing. Another reason I really like coins, that you can derive a certain amount of pleasure in the investment of the coins. They're fun to research, they're fun to look at, there's a history behind them, and each one of them is truly a part of American history. They're quite beautiful, as a matter of fact. I can't think of too many other assets that you can invest in that you can actually enjoy the use of. I don't see a lot of people taking their stock certificate out of their desk drawer and looking at that for hours on end. Um, so really, it's something that offers investment potential, but also a great deal of pride of ownership. Now, that being said, so would investing in your own house. I think that's something that you probably should do first, even. Um, and the house offers you an investment potential to gain equity and also the enjoyment factor. You get to go home every day to a great house that's yours. Um, there's a lot of satisfaction in that. But in the form of other investments, I think the coins have a good proven history, and they're certainly worthwhile. You'll also find out that there's a good deal of privacy in the coins. You collect these coins and you keep them at your house or you keep them at your business. You don't need to file them with a broker. You don't have to ask anybody's permission to go get them, buy them, and sell them. So there's a good deal of privacy there, and there's also a good deal of liquidity. The coins can be easily purchased through numerous different platforms: coin dealers, auctions, estate sales, eBay. Very readily purchased and also easily sold. You can liquidate your investment in the coins in a day or a couple hours in most cases. So there's a good deal of liquidity there, which some assets, annuities and that type of thing, a little harder to get rid of, and a lot of times there's a penalty involved for selling it before a certain time is expired. The coins, that you really don't have those kind of limitations on you. So there's another positive for the coins. I certainly think, excuse me, I certainly think the coins have a very good track record, a very good performance record. Of course, I don't know any investment that never fluctuates or goes down at any point, but I think you find that the coins tend to fluctuate less than some other investments. Even as far as gold and silver or bullion, again, those are driven by the spot price, by the market price, and they are prone to some fairly good size ups and downs, gyrations. Whereas the rare coins, they derive some of their value from the base metals, gold and silver. A lot of the coins are 90% silver, 99% gold. But the best part of the rare coin value comes from the numismatic value, as opposed to the intrinsic value. There's also, a quarter from 1932 is still worth a quarter today. I can go down to Walmart with my quarter and put it in the machine and get a quarter's worth of goods or services for it. So the coins have many sides to them that help fight against inflation and help keep the coin as a good investment. So it's certainly something you shouldn't overlook. Again, you can get into the coins for a minimal investment. You can buy 1 coin, 2 coins, 10 coins. You don't have to go in with a huge investment. And you can also add to your inventory in increments when and as you see fit. There's not a minimum buy-in or a minimum sell point. So again, that adds to the liquidity, to the ease of use, friendliness of the coins. Of course, like anything else, I mean, you have to buy at the right price. Like any good investment, if you buy too high, it's going to be harder to sell at some point. And that's why on my website, my eBay store, virtually all the coins that I sell are at or below the perhaps like the NGC rate guide. And also most of the coins I sell, you're able to bid on them, submit a bid for the price they have or less, and it's certainly taken under consideration. Also, most of the coins that I sell are shipped for free freight, so kind of help you ease into it. I'm also available to help evaluate your coins that you may have, and that's a whole nother video, but people bring me cans of coins or suitcase full of coins that was left to them. And as I said before, coins can be a passive investment in that you don't have to work that business 24/7. You can if you want to, but there's a lot of people who have gained a great deal of value just simply putting these coins aside. Or their grandparents gave their parents the coins, and their parents gave them the coins, and now they're worth a considerable amount of money. Like any investment, whether it's coins or comic books or ashtrays, or there's people who collect everything. Collectibles can bring good value, but they're usually based on the condition, and coins are certainly valued based on their condition. Also under scarcity. There's years of mintage where coins were, not that many were minted in comparison. Those end up being key dates, and in a lot of cases, certain years are mint marks. The survival rate of the high quality coins is rather low. Again, that tends to drive the price up. I believe to invest in quality, again, whether it's artwork or coins. Quality seems to have a value all its own. It tends to retain price better and easier to sell because you pay a little more going in. That's why I sell all graded coins, graded by NGC or PCGS, which guarantees the genuineness and the grade of the coin, which protects you and assures that you have a good value. They actually have a guarantee, which you can read on their website. In any case, there's a lot more reasons to invest in coins, and maybe we'll cover that on a separate video. But I do urge you to, if you haven't done so, get involved, ask questions. You can certainly contact me at coinshop.liquidators@gmail.com. That's coinshop.liquidators@gmail.com. And visit my eBay store. I'll leave a link in the description where you'll see a great deal of high quality coins. And I will be more than happy to walk through any questions you might have with that. So again, thanks for viewing. If you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel. And looking forward to speaking with you again on the next video.